I'm gonna get this rock open so you can see the crystals. If you wanna watch it, we're on video, so just watch. Nope, not that one, but maybe a little piece.
Turn the hammer.
Yeah.
Hit it with that side. There you go. Whoa.
Okay, so this is what it looks like on the inside of this rock. It's one of those rocks that's shiny on the inside with crystals, and there's other pieces of it that came off too, and I got a few more rocks if you like to see. So just enjoy your video and enjoy this video, and bye.